Oh yo, what is good YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you guys how I made $0 day trading the Nasdaq this morning. It's been a rough week. I will definitely say that. And this week has definitely tested my patience. I hope it's probably tested y'all's patience too. Um, it's been a long week, bro. I'm ready to make some money. I have not taken a trade in about 5 days. So I'm getting that trading itch. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Well, let's just get right into this. This is very simple and does not take a genius to figure out. Let's start on the daily time frame. So, coming into market, I'm checking my daily and my 4-hour, try to find my bias, try to get a little feel for the market. At the time of me checking this time frame, I think it was around 9 o'clock. This candle right here, this daily candle, was rejecting out of this daily gap. I'm like, okay, maybe some bullish today. At the time getting on market open, this candle was rejecting out of this 4-hour gap. I'm like, okay, I'm pretty bullish today. Let's see what this lower time frame looks like. It was about, let's see, 9 o'clock. I'm like, okay, we already tapped into, what was it, the 4-hour? Yep, the 4-hour gap at about 4:43 this morning. I'm like, okay, we literally have our manipulation right here. I see this all the time. We're not going to get this low. We're going to take these pre-session lows and we're going to pump to probably all-time high. Not, I wouldn't say all-time highs today, but I'm looking to take these highs out. So what do we do on open? We open and we immediately take pre-session high. Why do I not care, you say? Because my bias is bullish. Well, my bias is bullish. We are waiting on the pre-session low to be taken out and then for it to tap into a high time frame PD array. What do we do now? We take pre-session high and we immediately come down and take pre-session low. Now, at this point, there's like a light bulb going off in my head right now. I'm like, okay, I am looking for an inverse fair value gap or some form of a change in the state. Let's just get rid of this real quick so I can kind of do this a little bit better. Okay, what do we do here? We tap back into this 4-hour gap. What am I doing now? I'm still waiting for a change in the state or an inverse. What do we get here? We get a nice high, swing high. What happens after that? The swing high is broken. It turns into a change in the state, and we also have a change in the state of delivery order block right here. Let's turn this to this. And let's get rid of the border. So right now, like I'm ready to, I got my finger on the buy button. My bias is bullish. We took pre-session lows. We have clean swing highs above us that we could target for take profits. We tapped into the 4-hour gap. We turtle souped the low. We have our Judas swing. I'm like, okay, let's do this shit. Let's make some fucking bread. What happens? We have a change in the state. I am now waiting for a retest on this change in state delivery order block. My stop is below the low, and I'm going to target some low-hanging fruit, which is this high. That's 62 points, bro. That's enough. On a mini, that's enough. What happens, though? We keep pumping higher. At this point, I'm like, okay, maybe I can get into this trade on some institutional order flow entry drill. What is that? That is pretty much just an unfilled gap. So I really would want to see something like, oh Lord, just a nice wick right into this gap right here and for it to continue its trend upwards. But what happens? We do not get that. We actually tap into the first presented fair value gap. We leave some crazy rejection wicks. At the time, ES just took this high. So now we have a bearish SMT. We're leaving rejection wicks. We're tapping into the first presented fair value gap. We're not inversing it. We're tapping 8:30 and midnight open. At this point, I'm about to cancel my limits. Right now, I have a limit on that gap and this order block. Just like that. Just in case market wants to be stupid and just send a fat wick down there and just come right back up. Okay? So that's what's happening. That's what's going through my brain. As ES is taking this high and we're leaving these rejection wicks, we have FOMC at 2 p.m. and supposedly this is supposed to be the most drastic FOMC of the year. I'm not really trying to take some huge risk. I really want to preserve my capital for the best optimal trading days and the best probability trading days. So I cut it. I cut my limits and I'm like, you know what? Let's just wait. I'm going to be patient. And let's just say patient pays, baby. Patient fucking pays. You know what happens? It invalidates both of those trades. And what do? Just consolidate the rest of the day. Consolidate on a steady downtrend the rest of the day. We have FOMC in about 12-ish minutes, so we'll really see what that does, guys. All I gotta say is stay patient. Don't do stupid shit. Don't take two stupid trades. Damn. Don't take stupid trades. Yep. And another thing that I'm starting to do a lot more is pay attention to both of, I guess, the indices. Is that what, you can call them that? Both of the indices, like ES and Nasdaq. I used to not care what ES did. But now, after kind of caring about both indices and which one is leading, which one's not, that really saved me today. Like, that really, really, really did save me today. But, stay patient, guys. Preserve your capital. Bro, I cannot talk. Preserve your capital. Bro, what the fuck is going on? Preserve your capital for Thursday and Friday. I think Thursday and Friday, we're, like, good to go, right? Unemployment claims and nothing, yeah. So I really think Thursday and Friday is going to be the days that I'm going to make some money. You know, anything can happen. So I'm not trying to jinx myself into not making any money, but those are like probably the best days to trade this week. It has really been a rough week, guys, but don't give up on this shit, bro. This is one of these things that, I mean, you just got to keep going through it, bro. Stay patient, stay disciplined, stick to your model, and you'll win, guys. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Probably be another trade recap tomorrow, but I'll see you guys later.